With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome to Doubtnut. In this question, ask about the name a gas used along with acetylene for welding and cutting metals. So, this gas is hottest natural chemically flame. So, it is ethane. Ethane is the gas hottest naturally chemical flame. It is supplied by industrial gas industry for welding and cutting. Due to high temperature, it is used due to high temperature of the flame combustion of acetylene with oxygen produced with O2 produced. It combustion with the acetylene and it produce O2 gas. A flame over 3600 Kelvin temperature. It is hottest burning common fuel gas. So ethane is the gas which is used with acetylene for welding and cutting metals because it produces very high temperature. It is 3600 Kelvin with acetylene and it produces O2 gas on combustion with the acetylene. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.